Are you looking for the best water dispenser? In this video we will look at some of the best water dispenser on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Avalon Bottom Loading Water Dispenser. The Avalon Bottom Loading Dispenser is one of the machines which is highly functional. It has economical price. Bottom-loading designs are considered as more economical and easier to use. It is an economical and innovative design. You don't have to lift the bottle up and it reduces the risk of falling the water out. These machines have pump which draw the water up. It has various control setting of temperature, i.e., cold, hot and moderate. It also has night light so you can drink water without switching on the light. It has limit of 5 gallons. Number 2. Avalon Top Loading Dispenser. It's the traditional and conventional design. It uses the gravity power to dispense water upward. It's difficult to place water bottle at the top. It has offered 2 range of temperature, i.e., hot, cold. Cold water is good for drinking in summers while hot water helps in winters and also can be used in making tea, coffee etc. It has simple design and has fair price. It also has child safety lock on hot water tap. Number 3. Brio Moderna Bottom Load Water Dispenser. If you are looking for the best water dispenser, then this is the most suitable choice. It can cool the temperature up to 39 degrees Fahrenheit and as hot as 174 degrees Fahrenheit. Whatever the choice of water you want, it's just one button click away. Whether hot, cold or room temperature, you can easily have your choice of water. In addition, the lifting of heavy water cans isn't easy. So, in this dispenser it has bottom-loading water cooler. It can accommodate 3 to 5 gallons of water bottles. The bottom-loading cooler pumps the water up. This cooler dispenser has the LED light so you can detect the water at night. Number 4. Brio Top Loaded Dispenser. It's a top-loaded dispenser cooler from Brio brand. It has 3 range of temperature settings, i.e., hot, cold and room. It's perfect for those who need the 3 important ranges. It has a sleek design. The stainless steel has black components on it. It has a kitchen inside it. It's Energy Star certified. It has 3 modes of temperature, i.e., hot, cold or room. It provides instant access to hot and cold water. It minimizes the carbon footprint as it reduces the use of plastic bottles. It protects the water purity and colitis. Number 5. Primo Top Loading Cooler. With this kind of dispenser, you can switch between the hot and cold water whenever you want to. Instant cool or hot water anytime you want. It has 3 separate water taps. You can have all 3 water temperatures at once. It has affordable price feature. It also has stainless steel and has black display. It takes entire jug to empty and get rid of plastic taste. Its cold water isn't that cold enough. Number 6. Euphomy Self-Cleaning Water Cooler Dispenser. It has everything what you need from a water cooler. This is the best choice whether you are looking a dispenser for office or home. Euphomy's self-cleaning dispenser is low-maintained and has clean and healthy water. It is also UL/Energy certified. The most suitable choice of temperature whether hot, cold or room. It also has light indicator. It also has a safety lock in it. Number 7. Igloo Water Dispenser. It's one of the traditional ways of water dispenser. It has white design, reminiscent design. It also has traditional kitchen. It has hot and cold temperature. It has front buttons on it. It has great price and has basic functional design. It has only 2 temperature settings. It can hold ice up to 3 days. Number 8. Avalon Self-Cleaner Dispenser Cooler. It is reliable, innovative dispenser. This water cooler dispenser also has self-cleaning mechanism. It has a self-cleaner system which involves ozone aspect. It helps to prevent germs and bacteria present in dispenser. This ensures to keep your water clean and safe. It has 3 temperature settings. It's more expensive.